I want to get a video for Robert, get it started. 1050, 1050. Get a gold destroyer with the flag stamp, double flag stamp. 40 tickets. Here's the names. PayPal info. Here, random's open, give it a couple of refreshes. There's one, two. Connection info. Alright. Let's see who the winner is. Number 14. Number 14 is the winner. Winner picked 1051, 1051, number 14 is Jack. Congratulations, number 14. You're the winner. Ending comment 1052, 1052. Thanks everyone. Have a great